The project management tool is very simple to use. Again, it's free of charge. You can schedule sampling events years in advance. It also communicates with your field technicians and laboratories instantly. If you make a change to the project schedule, you're able to communicate with the field techs and the labs simultaneously so that everyone is on the same page at the same time. It also automates your bottle orders. One of the more common things forgotten is the bottle order. The project management tool does this automatically. The generated scope of work is very detailed. If you need the field tech to do some other work items while they're on site, that can be programmed into the project management tool very simply, and then that's included as part of the work scope. We have the optional ability to generate paper forms for those that are nervous about going cold turkey on the use of paper. We created the ability for users to run paper forms parallel to the digital process. This is for new users nervous about switching to digital. It's rarely used, but available to anyone that feels the need. This video of our project management tool demonstrates that it's mostly point and click. Users select the sampling media as there are different tests for different media. They then give the event a name, for instance, Q1 monitoring. They then pick the day they want to sample, and they can even pick the person they want to assign to that sampling event. Then you're going to select your analytical parameters using the Manage Test button to pick from the selected laboratories menu for certain analytical parameters. After you've picked all your parameters, you're then going to go to your sample locations, which you've already uploaded, and then select which locations you want to sample from, and which method of sampling you're going to be performing at each location. You're also able to create and select individual custom forms you want at each location. Let's say you want to do a well inspection while you're sampling, and there are certain monitoring wells you want to redevelop, and you want to document that. You select All on the well condition inspections and select the wells you want redeveloped. Those customizable forms now become part of the field app data flow. The project management tool handles all your QA/QC very efficiently as well. It's intelligent in that it's not going to let you collect a duplicate on a location or a parameter that wasn't selected originally. It also handles all your MSMSDs, field blanks, trip blanks, and equipment blanks, all set up easily using point and click. You're going to also be able to do event-level custom forms as well. Let's say I want my technicians to do a tailgate safety meeting each day before starting work. Those forms can be created very easily through the platform. You can have multiple forms for each event and multiple forms for each sample location, and they all become part of the process and the record. You can pre-print nearly complete custody forms so that you have a paper one out in the field if you opt for that. You can also stick with the digital one if you like. You can pre-print sample bottle labels ahead of time if you don't want to do the in-the-field printing. You have the option to print to standard Avery labels that you can buy at any Staples store or Office Max, or you can pre-print to our special 3-part QR-coded labels. The project management tool has an informative dashboard as well. The dashboard is going to show you your list of projects and can be sorted by project name, the last time it was sampled, the next time it is scheduled, and it also shows a quick summary of the work scope for each sampling event. Again, everything I've talked about so far is free of charge.